My name's Erica O'Brien and I'm in Advanced Manufacturing Machining. I am working towards my automotive degree and want to make parts and pieces for different cars and different diesel machines. In this class, I am starting to learn how to use different machines such as lathes and grinders for the very first time. I find it very fun and very intriguing on learning how to make these different little parts and pieces. I definitely recommend this class even if you're like tiny bit interested in like how to make things, because you literally learn from ground zero and get to a place where you're comfortable. You're able to run the machines without being hesitant or even looking at a blueprint for these pieces. It does help you focus on a certain aspect to be successful. I knew absolutely nothing about any machines or how to use those tools until I was taught how to use them and ask questions about them. This class has definitely helped me out with looking at things differently and learning how to take apart machines and put them back together so that way I can make the tools and things that are needed for the job that I'm doing. Take this class so that you can get that wealth of knowledge on how to make things and not be afraid of machines and get your hands dirty and be in the world.